Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. AI-powered YouTube channel ideas boost creativity and earnings. Welcome to the future of content creation. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-powered YouTube channel ideas. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only helps you brainstorm but also crafts engaging scripts and even edits your videos. From AI-generated cooking shows that whip up recipes faster than you can say, bon appetit, to channels that analyze trending topics with the precision of a laser-guided missile, the possibilities are endless. Leveraging AI isn't just about creativity, it's a golden ticket to monetization. So, buckle up as we explore how these innovative concepts can turn your YouTube dreams into a reality, without the need for a crystal ball. Understanding AI in content creation. AI is revolutionizing the way we create content for YouTube, making it easier and more efficient than ever. With tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features and Descript's automatic transcription, video production has never been smoother. These technologies can help you edit faster, generate captions, and even suggest music that fits your vibe. Imagine having an AI assistant that analyzes viewer engagement and recommends content tweaks in real time. This streamlining of the creative process not only saves time but also enhances the quality of your videos. By harnessing AI, creators can focus more on their unique voice while boosting productivity and delivering top-notch content to their audience. Unique channel ideas powered by AI. Get ready to unleash your creativity with some innovative YouTube channel ideas powered by AI. How about an AI-generated storytelling channel where algorithms craft unique narratives, complete with stunning visuals? Or consider automated tutorials that use AI to analyze viewer questions and provide personalized learning experiences. Channels like AI Dungeon have already captivated audiences with interactive storytelling, while Tech with Tim showcases automated coding tutorials that simplify complex concepts. The beauty of AI is that it encourages you to think outside the box. Whether it's creating virtual influencers or exploring AI-driven art, the possibilities are endless. So, let your imagination run wild and see where AI can take your channel. Monetization strategies with AI. Unlocking the full potential of your YouTube channel involves smart monetization strategies, and AI can be your best ally. With AI-driven analytics, you can gain deep insights into audience preferences, helping you tailor content that resonates and keeps viewers coming back. To optimize ad revenue, consider using AI tools that analyze viewer behavior, allowing you to place ads at peak engagement times. Additionally, AI can help you identify potential sponsorships that align with your audience's interests, making partnerships more effective. For targeted marketing campaigns, leverage AI algorithms to segment your audience and deliver personalized content that drives conversions. Embrace these strategies to maximize your channel's earning potential. Blending humor and practicality. Incorporating humor into AI-driven content can elevate your channel and keep viewers engaged. One technique is to use witty prompts when generating AI content, ensuring the output has a playful twist. For example, imagine an AI chatbot that responds to silly questions like, "What would a cat say if it ran for president?" This can lead to hilarious skits that showcase the AI's quirky personality. Another approach is to create comedic scenarios where AI misinterprets human commands, resulting in laugh-out-loud moments. Remember, maintaining a light-hearted approach not only entertains but also makes your content relatable. So, don't shy away from adding a sprinkle of humor to your AI creations. Your audience will thank you. Engaging your audience with AI. Enhancing viewer engagement is crucial for a successful YouTube channel, and AI can play a pivotal role in this process. Start by utilizing AI tools that enable personalized interactions, such as chatbots that respond to comments or questions in real time, making viewers feel valued. Additionally, AI insights can help you understand your audience better, allowing you to build a strong community around shared interests. Encourage feedback loops by actively seeking viewer opinions through polls or surveys, and use AI to analyze this data for content improvement. By leveraging these strategies, you can create a more interactive and engaging experience that keeps your audience coming back for more. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the exciting ways AI can enhance your YouTube channel, from boosting creativity to maximizing monetization. We discussed innovative channel ideas, such as AI-generated storytelling and automated tutorials, that can set you apart in the crowded digital landscape. Remember, leveraging AI-driven analytics can help you understand your audience better and optimize your content for engagement and revenue. We encourage you to dive into the AI tools and concepts we've presented today to unlock your channel's full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with fellow creators for more insightful content. Happy creating!